Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a custom print format in ERPNext using the Print Designer app. This app, developed by Frappe, allows you to build professional and customized print formats without writing a single line of code. Let's dive right in and get started. So here, in the sales order, I have created as the base for our custom print format. So here are the key details included in the sales order. Customer name, product with their rates and quantity, GST calculations, shipping and billing addresses, company address. Let's take a look at how the current sales order appears in the print preview. You can see letterhead components, the company logo, document title, document ID, and some dynamic content like addresses, customer details, and other data fetched directly from the sales order. Let's add a new component to the header. To customize our print format, go to Print Designer app, select your existing print format, and edit it further. So now, to add a new component in the header, double-click on the header section. On the left panel, select the text feature. Click on the template where you want to add dynamic content. From the list, now select the data you want to fetch. For example, customer name, tax ID, and so on. So system will fetch the real-time data from the sales order. After adding the dynamic data, you can add borders, padding, margin, and even background color using some CSS properties. Now let's customize the body section. On the left panel, select the table feature. Draw the table where you need it. The system will prompt you to select a table. For example, items, taxes, payment schedule, terms and condition, and so on. If you want to remove or add columns, just click right and then system will allow you to add or remove columns. Customizing the footer. Just like the header, you can easily add components to the footer, whether it's terms and conditions, company policies, or any other details. The process remains straightforward. After making your changes, click on Save, return to the sales order, and open the print preview. Here is the best part. The Print Designer shows the exact number of pages your print format will take. You don't need to download a PDF to check this anymore. So I'm sharing my document copy. Just paste that code in your print format. It will simply create a new print format for you, and you can play around with headers, footers, and the other component. And that's how you can create or you can use the Print Designer app to create a stunning and professional print formats in ERPNext, whether it's header, footer, or dynamic tables, or advanced styling. This tool makes it incredibly simple and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on ERPNext and other open source tools. Let me know in the comments if you have any specific topics you would like me to cover. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.